everybody, how's it going today? This is Antonio. Just a quick little short video. I'm doing some retrofits on my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. These are the Foglight housings. And these are original housings. I had to modify them, which let me show you quick. Get this out the way. Yeah. So you can see that I siliconed the cables on the outside, drilled holes, sealed the gaskets and everything. I do have hose for this nipple right here. I got a 2.5 foot hose because the short little elbows that go on here, they're really tiny little elbows. They're probably not even a total of an inch. When they're under the truck, because this is at the bottom of the bumper, they cause water to get in when you're running through water and shit. So I'm going to be running a 2.5 foot gas hose from here, and I'm going to run it up the bumper, and then just zip tie it to the side of the bumper, or zip tie it into the, I'm hoping it's long enough to go into the engine bay, so I can just zip tie it into the engine bay somewhere, so that way I won't get water in these ever again. But this is an HID conversion. I will be getting my headlights soon, in about 6 or 7 weeks, because I'm having custom headlights made with demon eyes, front and rear color change halos, and the same 5500 Kelvin bulbs from Morimoto that I have in the fogs are going to be in the headlights, and I'm having them custom made with the new Morimoto D2S minis 5.0 projectors. So hopefully you like this video. I have the wire harness in here. I did the modification to the wire harness. Here's the wire harness, which will be easily mounted. I have the ballasts, which the ballasts are nice. I like the new ballasts. The ballasts are the new 2.0s. I'll show you the ballasts, because the ballasts are pretty neat. I can get it open. There it goes. These are the new ballasts. Go in the kitchen where the light is. They're actually pretty nice. What I like about the new 2.0 ballasts is that they have built into the ballast mounting screw holes. On the old ones, you actually had a screw hole at the top and one at the bottom. You had to mount a plate to it, an actual bracket plate. So I like the new ones. The new ones are really nice. And then the harness that I was talking about. Let me come in here. Right in here. As you can tell, this is the OEM input harness, and I modified it to take my original 4Runner plug. So, and I added 4 feet on to it because it was really short, and I have specific wants to where it's gonna go. I'm gonna end up getting another one of those harnesses for the new the headlights. And then here is the new 2.0 igniters. And these will go directly to the bulbs. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of these videos. And I should be doing a complete headlight restoration, or not restoration, but modification and retrofit, hopefully in about 6-7 weeks, because they're going to be they're being made. But I wanted to show you what they look like for the fogs, because the fogs are being done right now. So hopefully you guys like these videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. I'll see you guys later.